Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get r's complement and r-1's complement in decimal, octal, hexadecimal and binary system.
Complements in number systems. Yeah. As I already discussed, okay, so if you're taking a decimal number, you will have, if you're taking decimal system, you will always have either the r's complement as tens complement, and you will have the r minus 1's complement, which is 9's complement. Now, how to find this 9's complement? First, let us understand. So, finding 9's complement, how we can do that? How to find a 9's complement of number? Suppose if you just take an example, okay, say I'll take 5, 7, 8 dot 9, 3. This is a number. So if I want to take 9's complement of this number, what I will do, I will just take here 9, 9, 9 dot 9, 9. I'll just fill here. That is what we have done in the last lecture. If you want to get 1's complement, what I asked you to do, so just take 1, 1, 1 beneath, and then here you have to fill a number such that the sum will become 1, all ones. So similarly here, if I want to get a 9's complement, what I have to do, I have to just take the number and leave some space, then you fill all 9's here. So here you will get a 9's complement of the number. So what is that? So if I want to make it as 9, I should add 6 here. If I want to make 9, 0 here, 1 here, so 2 here, and then 4 here. So 4 to 1.06 is going to be the 9's complement of the number. Then what is the 10's complement? So finding 10's complement, how will you find 10's complement? So in order to find 10's complement, what do? You take the 9's complement number, this number you take, okay? So add 1 to the LSB. So I'll just write 421.06, 421.06. This is the 9's complement of number. For this, you just add 1 to the least significant bit. So what you can get, 6 plus 1, it is 7, which is less than 10. So you can write as it is. Then 0 here, 1 here, 2 here, 4 here. So it's very simple. So this is the 10's complement of a number. I hope you are able to understand this, right? So I'll take a octal system. In octal system, the R value is going to be 8. R value is 8, and R minus 1 is going to be 7. So now let us take a number 365.4 is a number. Okay, so for this I have to find out the 7's complement and 8's complement. Always you have to find out r minus 1's complement and then r's complement. That is the rule here. So in order to get the 7's complement, what you have to do? You have to fill all these values with 7. 7 here, 7 here, 7 here, 7, 7. So fill the number. So it's going to be 5, this is 3, this is 2, this is 1, this is 4. 412.35 is a 7's complement of a given number. Now if I want to get 8's complement, what I have to do? Take a 7's complement, that is 412.35 you take. So this is a 7's complement. So for this, what you do, you just add 1 such that you will get 63.214. This is the 8's complement of the given number. Is it okay? I think this is pretty simple, right? So you can identify any complement for any number system. Okay, if you want 7's complement, we always call this r minus 1 here as a 7. Okay, so then I'll take one problem in hexadecimal. Hexadecimal. In hexadecimal, you will be having, say, what is that? R is equal to 16 and R minus 1 is equal to 15. You can have 15's complement and 16's complement, and this 15 is represented as F in hexadecimal. So now let us take an example. So I'll write here A 3B F dot CA something. So this is the number. I have to find out what is a 15's complement first. Then I can find out the 16's complement. Always you can find the R minus 1's complement first, that is 15's here. And then you can add 1 to the LSB, you will get a 16's complement. So let us add here. So I want to get this as F. All these numbers should be 15, 15, 15. That means it is going to be F here, F here, F, 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 and F. So here you know that A is equal to 10, B is equal to 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14, and F is a 15. Now, A is how much? 10. So how much I have to add to make it as F? So if I add 5 to the 10, it will become 15. So I will add 5 here. So what is C? C is 12. If I add 3 to that, so 12 plus 3 is 15. So 3 here. So F is there. F is what? So F is 15. So if I add 0 to that, it will be F only. So B is 11. 11 plus 4. So then 3 plus 12. 12 is C. A is 10 plus 5. So this is going to be the 15's complement. So how to get a 16's complement? Take that 5C40.35, which is a 15's complement, and add 1 to that, to the LSB. I'll get 6 here, 3 here, 0, 4, C, 5. So this is the 16's complement of a number.
That's all in this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your friends. Thank you.